So let's see if magnesium can be a fuel. Hold on. I'm blinded by the light. I will do a very simple experiment where I will take this piece of paper and I will put it in the liquid and we will see if it is a fuel, because if it is, then something will burn. Let's see. Oh no! Ah! Blip, blip, blip. Get in there. Okay, here we go. Anything? What is this stuff? Water. Water puts fire. Yeah, water puts fire out, so it's almost like the opposite of a fuel. That wasn't very exciting. All right, let's try this. La 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 la. Looks to be the same. Well, let's try the same experiment. I'll take my paper. Oh no! Ah, blip, blip, blip. Get in there. Okay, let's see. Ooh. So that is very different. Who has some paper that is green, has a picture of a dead president on it, and has some numbers on it? Who's got some money? You got some money? Come on up. Marcus said how much you need, and just to make things exciting, I said, give me the 20. So, in the name of science, he has been very nice to donate his $20 bill because I'm going to burn it to smithereens. And I'm going to love every single moment of it. You don't need this, do you? Good. Okay, so, here, let me have you hold this container for me. I'm so excited about this. Here we go. So remember, this is our mixture. 50% rubbing alcohol, 50% water, and now let's say goodbye to President Jackson. Say goodbye. Here he goes. Oh no! There we go. Look at that. Awesome. That's... Hey! The only reason I do this experiment is so I can burn the money. Here we go. Now we're going to burn it to smithereens. Come on. There we go. Awesome. Look at that. That's so cool. You didn't think I was going to burn it, did you? No. Come on over here. Let me tell you the science behind this. It's actually really interesting. Rubbing alcohol is on there and it catches on fire, but then there's water in there as well. So typically people say, well, you know, the water just puts it out. Well, not really. When water gets really hot, it begins to evaporate, right? When water evaporates, it takes away something important. It takes away the heat. If we take away the heat, can we have a fire? Absolutely not. So as the water evaporates, it takes away the heat, and then the fire goes out. If I was just using pure rubbing alcohol and I put that in there, then obviously it would burn. But by having the water in there, water evaporates, takes away the heat, fire goes out. Round of applause, please. There you go. Thank you. Like the carbon dioxide, oxygen is a very heavy gas and you can't see it. So when I put it in here, I'm not going to know how much goes in, but hopefully enough to do the experiment. If I was to take this balloon and put it over the flame, okay, the balloon would pop, but that's it. There wouldn't be any kind of explosion because oxygen itself is not a fuel, but it does make things burn hotter and faster. I will show you in just a moment. So, let's put some oxygen in here. Now, I don't know right now how much is actually going into the container. I'm sure there's probably some that is seeping out over the top. I'm shrinking. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay. So, very quickly that burnt, right? With the presence of oxygen, it burnt much faster and much hotter. Well, what I'd like to do with the lycopodium is put it in this tube, then blow it out into the air where we know there's a lot of oxygen, and then see what happens. Should I do that? Yeah? All right. Let's see what happens. So I'll put it in here. Okay. And for this one, I'm going to put these on. Safety first. So let's have a countdown from 5 to 0. Ready? 5, 4, 3. Let's see what happens with our hydrogen. Now for this one, I am going to wear these. So I would suggest that all of you take your hands, put them over your ears. Okay? Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We've got one more. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's all I got.